Welcome back, Trojans, to another great week here at Cambridge Public Schools. First week of the 2018 portion of our school year. Happy to have everybody back. It's been a really good time to spend time with family and get time to refresh and reboot for the second semester. And we're just excited to have all the students back here in the building. What our Monday mission is for this week is just something to kind of get us kick started, is for you to tell two people what you missed about them during their holiday break. After spending time away from your school family and getting time to spend with time with your actual family for a few weeks, take some time today and during your week to find a couple of people that you've missed over the holiday break and tell them you miss them and why you miss them. Because it's important to figure out that showing compassion towards others helps develop relationships. And that is not something that we can just do today. It could just be something that we do every day. And you just tell somebody, walk up to somebody and tell somebody something that you like about them, something that you missed about them, and watch those relationships grow. Our January Trojan Way focus is going to be just. Our Trojan Way Tuesday will feature a video about what just is, and teachers will have access to the videos and slideshows to promote the discussion about just. So really what we want you to do is focus on having discussions about what just is, because I think a lot of people want to always equate that to being what is fair. Well, what is just is really focusing on what is best for every person, and what's best for every person isn't always the same. Looking forward to you guys having those discussions with your groups, and looking forward to you guys being back at the building and us having a great start to the second semester in the 2018 portion of our school year. So have a great week, and go Trojans.